My name is Paul Corcoran. I am the new home consultant for Legacy Homes, and I'm excited to show you the Annabelle here at Compass Point. Well, Legacy Homes is unique in the fact that we are a family-run builder. We've been building in this area for over 40 years, and our name and our reputation are extremely important to us. And that's evident every day in how hard we work and our willingness to go that extra mile in order to make sure that our customers are happy and completely satisfied with their home. Also, the fact that we're a semi-custom home builder, what that does is it allows folks to go through our portfolio of home plans, find one that speaks to them, and then have the ability to customize that home to truly make it their own. Many of our clients are out of state while they're building, so it's my job to make sure that it's a fun and enjoyable experience and definitely not stressful. I'm here with you as you build your home, explaining the process all the way from when we break ground until the keys are handed over. This floor plan is over 2,400 square feet. You've got 2 bedrooms in the front of the home with the Jack and Jill bathroom, and in the rear of the home, you've got a private master bedroom with the option for a bonus room suite upstairs. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice that very open concept. Also, lots of that natural light coming in from the screened porch, which is right there in that main living area in between the dining nook and the great room. You'll also notice a study that comes standard in the Annabelle, which works perfectly as a dedicated study or a dining area. It makes it a great floor plan for entertaining. The designs of our homes are really driven by the customers, and what that means is client feedback is very important to us. We also have an amazing team of designers that keep a pulse on trends and really help us guide the design of our homes. In addition to being recognized for our design, we've also been recognized by Duke Energy for the efficiency of our homes. Legacy offers an extensive list of standard features. Everything from our upgraded hardwood flooring to the tile in our master shower, tile to the ceiling in our guest bathrooms, screened porches come standard. Our goal is to provide as much flexibility to our clients as possible. What makes Legacy special is the ability to customize the home in order to make your vision become a reality. If you're in the area, come visit me at Compass Point. I'd love to show you around and make your next home a legacy.